Hello, I am Rakesh Chawla, the founder of Quantum Vastu. This is a very latest and a very recent subject which has incorporated the science of quantum into the old diktats of Vastu. The benefits of quantum Vastu is that when you are applying just Vastu principles, you are incorporating the 5 universal elements and giving it a directional flow of energy. With quanta, it gets a push because in quantum, we are also using the mind. Using the mind in the sense everyone uses the mind, so it's not something that you are doing different. The difference is that when you apply whatever Vastu suggestions are given by anyone, you start thinking positively about the outcome of those suggestions. Rather than being in a mindset of what is going to happen, when is it going to happen, you start visualizing that it is happening. That's the basic difference. It is happening. This is the role of quantum in quantum Vastu. Now, fundamentally, I have seen that there are 3 areas where people are very keen, interested in Vastu. So the first thing is how will it improve finances, money. सारों को पैसा चाहिए. So money is the first thing. Second thing is health. People are very keen to know how Vastu can help them maintain or acquire better health or achieve better health. And the third thing is relationships. So money, health and relationships are the 3 primary concerns of people who like to follow Vastu. Now, of course, there are various ways, there are various things that one has to follow, but fundamentally, I'll give you very short things which you can try and understand the power of quantum Vastu. So, the first thing is money. Now, in Vastu, the areas which are responsible or the zones that are responsible for money flow is north and southeast. So, just make sure that these 2 zones of your house or your office are kept very clean and there is no clutter, there is no clash of elements. Clash of elements that don't have fire in the north and don't have water in the southeast. Once this basic thing is taken care of, you will feel the difference immediately. Now coming to health. The important zones for health is your northeast and your southeast. These are the 2 areas which are responsible for your health. Now, first thing you have to see is that what is there in the northeast. Simply clean the northeast, clean the clutter. And in the southeast, do what was suggested earlier. Make sure there are no clashing colors over there. Make sure there is no water in the southeast. If there is, just add green to neutralize its effect. Then comes the area of relationships. Area assigned or responsible for this is southwest and northeast. Now, why northeast is important? Because northeast determines your mind. It influences your mind. And health is always what you keep thinking about. The negative you think, the negative your health starts becoming. If you are in a depressed state of mind, other than the psychology, I have seen that your northeast is contributing to the way you think, to the patterns of your thinking. So clearing the northeast is very important. Let's say for all 3 areas, for your finances, for your relationships and for your health. And now coming back to relationships, the area which I said is important is the southwest. Just make sure that this area is clean, no clutter, no broken elements, no water in this area. Taking care of these 3 things and following these 3 small tips, you will feel the difference immediately. And if you have any query, just feel free to get in touch. Thank you. Take care.